Never eat broccoli with this cause cancer and dementia. 3 best and worst food recipes. Wait, are you eating broccoli the wrong way? You've heard it's a superfood, and it is. But did you know that when paired with certain ingredients or cooked the wrong way, broccoli could actually harm your health? Yes, that's right. This innocent green vegetable could become a silent threat, linked to issues like brain fog, inflammation, and even serious diseases like cancer and dementia. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around, because in this video, I'll uncover the hidden dangers of eating broccoli incorrectly, the science-backed truth about its health benefits, and the 3 best and worst broccoli recipes to completely transform your meals. Plus, at the end, I'll share a powerful bonus tip to make broccoli a true superfood on your plate. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. The incredible power of broccoli. Why it's a superfood. Broccoli has earned its reputation as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. And for good reason. It's loaded with vitamins like C, K, and A, packed with fiber, and contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane. What makes sulforaphane so special? It's been shown to kill cancer cells, reduce oxidative stress, and protect neurons in your brain, potentially warding off diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. But here's the kicker. Broccoli's superpowers depend on how you prepare it. Overcooking it or pairing it with unhealthy ingredients can strip away its nutrients, turning this superstar vegetable into a nutrient-deficient, calorie-laden dish. Crazy, right? Don't worry though, I'm here to help you maximize its benefits and avoid those pitfalls. The hidden dangers, what not to eat with broccoli. Now let's get into the mistakes you're probably making. These common combinations not only cancel out broccoli's health benefits, but could actively harm your health. 1. Processed cheese and heavy cream sauces. Think broccoli cheese casseroles or creamy broccoli soups. They might taste comforting, but processed cheese and cream are loaded with saturated fats, trans fats, and artificial additives. These ingredients not only counteract broccoli's cancer-fighting properties, but also increase inflammation, a major trigger for chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. 2. Excessive salt or high-sodium dressings. While a sprinkle of salt is fine, drowning broccoli in salty soy sauce or high-sodium salad dressings can lead to water retention and raise your blood pressure, a recipe for disaster if you're already trying to eat healthier. 3. Deep-fried broccoli. Sure, broccoli tempura or fritters might seem harmless, but frying broccoli in unhealthy oils creates harmful trans fats and destroys the delicate sulforaphane, rendering it useless for your body. Think about it. You're turning a health-boosting veggie into junk food. The science of sulforaphane. Why cooking matters. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the science. The magic of broccoli lies in its sulforaphane, a compound that forms when the vegetable is chopped or chewed. Sulforaphane is a natural warrior. It fights free radicals, protects your DNA, and reduces inflammation in the body. But here's the problem. Overcooking broccoli kills sulforaphane. Boiling it for too long or microwaving it zaps its nutrients, leaving you with a mushy vegetable that does little for your health. The best way to retain its goodness? Steam it lightly for just 3 to 5 minutes. This keeps it crunchy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. 3 worst broccoli recipes you should avoid. Let's break down the worst ways to prepare broccoli. These are recipes that you may want to rethink. 1. Broccoli cheese bake. This popular comfort food smothers broccoli with processed cheese, heavy cream, and butter. It might taste rich, but it's a health disaster in disguise, filled with unhealthy fats and empty calories. 2. Sweet glazed broccoli. Adding sugary glazes or caramelized sauces might sound tempting, but sugar spikes your insulin levels and completely negates broccoli's ability to regulate blood sugar. 3. Broccoli chips. Deep fried in oil. Deep-fried broccoli snacks are crunchy and addictive, but high in trans fats. You're essentially canceling out all the good broccoli does for your heart and brain. 3 best broccoli recipes for maximum health. Now for the good news. Here are the 3 best recipes to unlock broccoli's superfood potential. 1. Lemon garlic broccoli. Stir fry, lightly steam broccoli, Then stir-fry it with a drizzle of olive oil, minced garlic, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. The garlic adds a powerful dose of antioxidants, and the lemon enhances sulforaphane absorption. 2 broccoli quinoa bowl. Mix steamed broccoli with cooked quinoa, diced avocado, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is a perfect blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you energized and satisfied. 3 raw broccoli salad. Toss finely chopped raw broccoli with shredded carrots, sunflower seeds, and a light vinaigrette made from olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Eating broccoli raw preserves its sulforaphane, making this a powerhouse dish. Bonus tip: pair broccoli with these foods for extra benefits. Here's a bonus tip to supercharge broccoli's health benefits. Pair it with foods rich in healthy fats and vitamin C. Healthy fats, like those found in olive oil or avocado, help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, while vitamin C enhances sulforaphane production. For example, drizzle olive oil on steamed broccoli, or add a handful of citrus slices to your broccoli dishes. This simple tweak can significantly boost the health benefits of your meals. Broccoli for brain and body. The long-term benefits. Consistently eating broccoli, prepared the right way, doesn't just protect you from diseases like cancer and dementia. It also improves digestion, strengthens your immune system, and even helps with weight loss. The fiber keeps you full, while the low-calorie content makes it a guilt-free addition to any meal. Plus, let's not forget its brain-boosting properties. Broccoli's sulforaphane and high levels of vitamin K are proven to protect your brain cells and enhance memory. This makes it a must-have for anyone looking to stay sharp and focused, even as they age. The psychological impact of eating healthy broccoli recipes. Did you know that eating broccoli the right way doesn't just transform your body but also impacts your mind? Studies have shown that a diet rich in sulforaphane and antioxidants, both of which broccoli is bursting with, can reduce stress, improve mood, and even combat anxiety. Think of it as food for your brain as much as for your body. When you nourish your system with properly prepared broccoli dishes, you're giving your mind the tools it needs to stay sharp, focused, and stress-free. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, skip the junk food and try a healthy broccoli-based meal instead. Your mind and body will thank you. Make broccoli your superfood. Every day. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of broccoli. It's not enough to eat it once a week and hope for miracles. The secret lies in incorporating this superfood into your daily diet in creative, delicious ways. From salads and soups to stir-fries and smoothie boosters, there are endless ways to enjoy broccoli while preserving its nutrients. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to protect your health, strengthen your immune system, and fuel your brain. Start small, add a handful of raw broccoli to your lunch, or steam it lightly for dinner. Over time, these little changes can lead to big results, helping you live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Conclusion. Now that you know the truth about broccoli, it's time to take action. Start by avoiding those unhealthy recipes and incorporating one of the 3 health-boosting dishes we discussed today. Have you been cooking broccoli the wrong way? Or do you have a favorite broccoli recipe that's both healthy and delicious? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to eat your way to better health. Your journey to a healthier, happier life starts today. Before you go, make sure to check out my next video, where I reveal the 5 common healthy foods that are secretly sabotaging your health. Trust me, you won't believe what's on that list. Until next time, eat smart, stay healthy, and remember, your health is in your hands.